Hi mga ka-G! Welcome to my channel. So, today, mag-unbox ta no. And, as you can see, natay bagong camera for our vlog. Sponsored by, of course, Hubby. So, yato do gayon, let's start! So, amo ning napalit sa Best Buy and atong Black Friday. And we cannot find bundle. So, among gibuhat is giisa-isa na mo siya. Since on sale man gihapon siya. So, this one, it's a little bit small. Gamay siya na bag. Pero I think it will fit. The problem is the microphone will not fit in this. But it's okay. The brand is Lower Pro. So, this will be the last time na magamit ta og phone no for vlog. It's because we have a new camera. So, muning Sabado gikuha actually or Friday. I think yeah, Friday night, and karon pa jud nako na feel na mag-unbox. So, we have our bag here. I don't know what's inside. Let's see. Seems like there's something on it. Oh, there's a strap. There's a strap. And like a divider or something. Cool. Then we can put we can put atong butang dira atong mga extra na memory card and battery here also sa side pocket. Na siya 2 side pockets. So cool. Next is natay 128 SanDisk Extreme Plus na memory card. So, you know naman, when you are vlogging, kinahanglan jud ako og space ang imuhang memory card. So, my husband got me a 128 gigabyte, and which is enough na for vlogging. So, yep. And ang ating pinakahihintay. Aron naman nga naman ay makita man ang ato ang sa tawagan na light. So wala siya. So this is it. I have the EOS. Let me ako sa tanggalon ang oops. Ang name ha. Dali lang guys. Tanggalon na itong name kay. Saon na lang. Okay. So we have the CANON EOS M50 Video Creator Kit. So this includes, oh wow, I didn't know. It includes the camera itself, the lens, the battery pack, battery charger, and the neck strap. Cool. And we have the microphone, Rode Video Mic Go microphone, and a 32 gigabyte memory card. Awesome. Okay, so ato lang siyang i-unbox. Okay, disclaimer lang. Dili ko techie, so ako lang na siya ginapakita sa inyo ha, para lang na ako i-ano. And actually, before na muna siya gipalit, we watch a lot of videos on YouTube kung sa ilang ma-recommend na camera for vlogging, and this one is far better and also affordable. And also the gipalit na this was on sale sa Best Buy for $649. So it's a good deal already for camera. So sabi pag-apre. Laban lang taan. Okay. Wow. Ooh. There you go. Sana na dyan siya, no? Mura ni siya. Mao na gid ni. So gisiyon na to para bongga na. Okay, so we have the Canon EOS M50. And the color is black. And ako lang basahon ang iyahang feature ha. Kadali. Excuse me. So, actually, this is a camera na mirrorless siya. So, mirrorless. So, since dili man ko techie, ako rin ipakita sa inyo sa yung mga feature. And actually, ako pa rin siyang i-explore. Wala siya ko yung knowledge sa paggamit. I was able to use DSLR before, pero hiram-hiram lang itong mga college days na ako. Pero, like, wala dyan ko naka-camera o inan-ani. So, it's my first time to have such a camera. So, ito na siya. So, they said sa video it's very handy and it's a little bit small. But, ang difference sa mirrorless camera di ay guys is, ano siya, kanang, ang light good, ako siya ma-explain kayo pagtarong pero ang ano siya, di ba sa DSLR kay kinahanglan pa nimo timplahon, kini siya automatic na siya mag-adjust ang iyahang light. So muna siya atong camera no. So ambot asa na ni siya ko kabaloan eh. Pero I think the microphone is here. This is for the microphone right here. It says mic, and this is the, I don't know how to open this, pero sige lang ato ning i-explore. Pero para ko jud siya na charge, and this is built in with Wi-Fi I think. So basahon na to ang sumang manual dali. So naa siya yung manual no, dara ang manual. Let me see, ito daw i-on ba. Wait lang. Masig naka-off pa siya, no? Pero nag-loading pa dyan ko, guys. So, basta ipakita lang ako siya, guys. Mauna itong camera, guys. Mauna siya ang katong ma-flip-flip na ano na side niya. Then, dari mo na siya there ang sa lens. Wait. What? Huh? Yeah, you can go.
No.
What? You can pass. They cannot see it.
You doing it live?
Huh?
You doing it live?
No, I did not do it
Okay,
live.
I'm not wearing.
Yeah, I did not do it live. So, this is our charger. Right here. Muna siya tong charger. I think the reason why dili siya ma-on is dili siya charge na camera, guys. So mauna siya, guys. EOS, Canon. So that's muna siya. So muna itong charger. Babe, I think the camera is low bat.
Is what?
I cannot turn it on.
Oh, so you can
So that's the charger, guys.
charge it. Start charging it now.
This is the strap. It's not very thick, but overall it's okay. As long as it holds our camera. Golly, this is my first time. It's amazing. Kadagan na itong mga photoshoot ani. Yay! So, muna itong strap, no? It's the strap. And our battery. Oh! Okay. So-bright ka. Mori di siya ma-on kay I did not put the battery yet. Okay. So, again, disclaimer. Hindi ko techie. This is my first camera. So, yeah, that's the battery, guys. And I don't know what's this.
Is it a lens?
I think this is the lens. Yeah, this is the lens.
That you probably won't use?
Golly. Lenses are very sensitive. Huh?
Gotta be real careful with the lenses.
Yeah, I know. That's why you need to be careful. So that's the lens, guys. This is 15 to 45 millimeters and image stabilizer. What you will do is you will attach it here. Anak na siya, i-attach na siya dira. You will remove the cover and then it will attach. So, di ko kabalo, pa na ko siya na charge, and since low bat man siya, so what ay mabuhat ana. So more na siya, guys. So that's our camera. The next one is our microphone. Look, they put the 32 gigabyte.
Oh, so it's got 2 of them?
So I have two memory cards now.
That one's not very big though.
Yeah, this is just 32 gigabyte, but still for free. Amazing. We have another 32 gigabyte. And dun, pangarap lang kita noon, pero
Yeah,
ngayon
that's the
nangahawakan
whole
na
reason.
kita.
That's the whole reason you...
Microphone. Golly.
Bigger than I thought it would be.
Yeah, I was thinking that way too. Look. That's our microphone. Ting-tara. It's a broadcaster lang. What's this? Oh, that's the cover of the battery. So this is where you will attach the one side sa microphone and then the other side to the camera. So, yep. Cool. So, maybe I'm gonna do another video wherein I will be able to turn it on. Pero this time, dili siya ma-on. So, ano tayo mabuhat anak, guys, kay low bat yun siya. So, yep. That's it. So, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye!